The Beginner's Guide to Investing, why it's important and how to get started. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to be discussing the basics of investing and why it is so important. Investing is the act of allocating resources, usually money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. It's a way for people to grow their wealth over time and secure their financial future. There are many different types of investments out there, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrency. Each has its own unique set of risks and potential rewards. It's important to understand the different options and find the one that's right for you. One of the biggest reasons why investing is so important is that it allows you to take advantage of compound interest. This is when the interest earned on an investment is added back to the principal, so that the interest earned in the future is based on a larger amount of money. Over time, this can result in significant growth. This is especially important when you're saving for a long-term goal, such as retirement. By starting early and investing consistently, you can benefit from the power of compound interest and potentially retire with a substantial nest egg. Investing also helps to diversify your portfolio, which can help to minimize risk. By spreading your money across different types of investments, you're less likely to lose all of your money if one particular investment doesn't perform well. Diversification is key in investing, and it helps you to spread the risk across different assets, sectors, and geographical regions. It's also important to diversify within the asset class. For example, if you invest in equities, it's important to have a mix of different companies and sectors. Another important aspect of investing is setting goals and developing a plan to achieve them. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or a child's education, it's important to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve and how you plan to get there. Having a financial plan in place can help you to stay focused and motivated, and can also serve as a benchmark to measure your progress. When it comes to researching and analyzing potential investments, it's important to look at things like the company's financial statements, management team, and industry trends. By taking the time to do your due diligence, you can make more informed investment decisions. It's also important to keep an eye on macroeconomic indicators such as GDP, inflation, and interest rates, as they can have a significant impact on the market and your investments. The stock market can also be a great place to invest. Performance of the market is important, as it can give an insight on how the market is performing and how one should invest. It's important to keep in mind that the stock market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, it has historically provided a positive return. Investing is not without risks, but potential rewards can be substantial. It's important to remember that investing is a long-term endeavor, and it's important to have patience and not panic during market downturns. It's also important to keep in mind that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and one should not invest more than they can afford to lose. One should also consider the tax implications of investing, as different types of investments may be subject to different tax rates. It is important to consult a financial advisor or a tax professional for guidance on how to minimize your tax liability. Finally, it is important to monitor and adjust your investment portfolio over time. As your financial goals and circumstances change, it may be necessary to rebalance your portfolio to ensure that it is still aligned with your objectives. This might include selling some investments that have performed well and buying others that have the potential to perform well in the future. In conclusion, investing is a crucial step in securing your financial future. It allows you to grow your wealth over time, diversify your portfolio, and achieve your financial goals. It's important to do your research, set your goals, and have a plan in place. Remember, investing is a long-term endeavor, and it's important to have patience and not panic during market downturns. We hope you found this video informative, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of new content. And also don't forget to like this video, as it helps the YouTube algorithm to show you more of our content.